Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. It is Friday, yes. So happy Friday, everyone. Hope you all have a great weekend. Let's see if we can end this week without a losing trade. If we have a losing trade today, that's okay. We've had an amazing week, especially yesterday. Good morning. What is that little thing on your comment, Madman, beside good morning on YouTube? Welcome in, TikTok and YouTube. What percent of risk in terms of account size should I use? What do you mean, like overall or like your position size? I'm confused. If you could just elaborate on that, Christian, I'll give you a much better answer. Good morning, G-Man. I had a nice push day this morning. Good morning, Team Bull. Happy Friday. For those just joining the zone. Yes, I am ready for Christmas. I'm ready. I mean, I love Christmas, but I'm ready to lock in with you all for 2026. Good morning, Danny. Stacy, good morning. My trades. How we doing, everyone? We've got about 15 minutes or so until market opens. We have hold on one second. It's OPEX today, for one. 10 a.m. we have existing home sales and consumer sentiment. I'm just going to treat it like any other day. Wait on our key levels, wait on confirmation, and manage your trades. 3 to 5 MNQs, all you need on your funded accounts. No oversizing. You definitely don't want to be taking some big losses into the holidays, to Christmas and all that. Let's do this right. Appreciate that, David. Welcome in, everyone. No Team Bull link today. What's up? Yeah, I'm live in Team Bull. I just was talking to Team Bull with you all. Always live in there. You see how we pulled back there to VWAP and point of control, then continued up? Solid. Not that I took it, I'm just talking. Oh, the free link for Fridays, Jose? I'm not for sure if Jada still does that. Jada, handles all the free Friday stuff. Oh, I have some accounts for you all at the end of the live today. Remind me, okay? I think, let me see how many accounts Tradify. It's Tradify accounts. They hooked me up with some codes for you all. See how many they sent me real quick. I'm going to give them all away to you all on this live today. They gave me 4 50K growth accounts for a giveaway. So I'll give away 4 Tradify accounts at the end of the stream today. Good morning. Jose says, locking in another payout today. That's awesome, man. What's the answer to size of risk for position entry? I mean, if you're going textbook, Christian, 1 to 2% is all you should ever risk of your overall account, by the book. It doesn't always work out like that, but, that's what. Appreciate you showing up every day, Kelsey. It does mean a lot. Hopefully you're making some money as well. We've had a great week, wouldn't you say? I know we didn't catch the trade Wednesday, but yesterday was just crazy, right? We haven't had a loss this week that I remember. Good morning. Uh-oh. We got a bearish divergence. You all see that? It popped up for a second and it says VIX confirmed. But it went away quickly. Interesting. If we see that when the market opens and we get to a nice supply or resistance, we're definitely going to look for a possible short entry, okay? I'll show you all exactly how I plan to use the new dashboard that came with the previous Grisology update. Yeah, I got it on the 5-minute. It may be on the lower time frame still. Is that volume based on VIX? No, it's just basically based on the price action G-Man. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, Jay. Welcome in, everyone. We got 10 minutes until market opens. This could be where we reject. I'm not taking a trade till after market opens. We only got 10 minutes till market opens. There's no point getting a trade yet. I have a feeling it's going to be a fun session with OPEX and everything, so. D-Mill, do you have your chart set up like mine? What's your chart settings, D-Mill? Go to, you can't see it here on mine, but go to the top right corner of your TradingView chart, click on the octagon, click on symbol. You'll see symbol on the top, on the left side. Click on that. Then inside of that, you'll see session. Change it to electronic trading hours. Then go to where it says adjust for contract changes. Check that. Press OK. Make sure you're on the NQ chart. If we don't have the same chart settings, our indicators will not show everything the same, Even like I had a Grisology subscriber trying to use it with footprint, with the footprint chart instead of the candlesticks, and that doesn't work either. You have to be on candlestick charts. You got to think data comes in differently to these. You can't code an indicator for, footprint charts and expect it to work on regular candlestick charts. Appreciate the follow, Nick. Welcome in, everyone. How many minutes we got to open? About 8. All right. Good morning, Thomas. Am I live on YouTube? Yes, I'm live on YouTube. YouTube and TikTok. Good morning, Steve. Is Grizzology available for TOS? It's for TradingView only. You can still trade on Thinkorswim if you like. Just use TradingView for your charts. I don't trade on TradingView. I only use it for charts and my indicators. What's the weather like this morning? It is. It was clearing up. I mean, it was overcast and it rained last night, but it's clearing up now. Cool and wet outside. Clear skies. I seen we're supposed to have rain on Christmas. That's not ideal, but oh well. We have 5 minutes till market opens. Wish we had snow. I would love to have a white Christmas. Who doesn't want a white Christmas? Alright, Green Eyes, I added you. Gonna grab my coffee, I'll be right back. Uh-oh, selling off already. Remember, look, you see up top here? Can you all see that? Anyways, the dashboard showing bearish divergence. VIX has not confirmed. But it was showing it earlier about right here on this candle. What do you think about it, Danny? The new dashboard. King, I like Tradevate. Steve, it should be working now. Right now, it should be working. Good morning, Green Eyes. How you doing?
I am doing wonderful, Christmas. How are you today?
Great, man. I'm looking forward to Christmas. Making some money with Team Bull today.
Myself as well. What are your plans for Christmas?
I just watched the kids open presents, you know.
Nice. I like that.
Family time.
You staying local this year?
For Christmas? Yeah, I will be home for Christmas, yes.
Fantastic. I'm doing a bit of traveling myself this year.
Didn't you go to like Mexico last year?
Yo, I can't hear you guys on Zoom yet. Let me test speakers. There we go.
As usual.
What's good, everybody?
What's up?
What's up, Green Eyes? What's up, Grizzly? What's up, Team Bull?
Good morning. Good morning.
Live from the office, baby. Come on now. Live from TDHQ. What you know about that?
Nice. 2 minutes to
Hey,
open.
done copy here. Red.
Did you all see that though? I want to talk about this dashboard. I'm pumped. Bearish divergence showed this coming. It showed us right here. VIX actually confirmed in this area here for a minute. Then up here we got the confirmation again and we sold off. Man, I think I missed your reply. What is beside your good morning? And you too, other Nick. What is that beside your hand? What did I get you for Christmas? Hopefully a winning trade today.
Christmas.
I gave you winning trade. Hey, I gave you all a perfect week so far. No losses. Is that not a good present?
Where is my Christmas present? Because they want big. I want something from the forest.
Forrest.
Good fresh deer meat from the forest.
There we go. All right. Market's about to open. I'm running a bit behind. We don't trade the first 20 minutes anyway, so we're cool. We're good.
I got you. I got everyone. While you get ready.
Are you guys ready? You'll hold it down.
Hold it down. We got 38 seconds.
You had a banger.
I had 2 good trades yesterday. My best day this week.
You had a heat-seeking missile of a trade yesterday, my boy. Back to back like Drake. Back to back. I got Santa costume on. Who's coming to sit on Santa's lap? Brandon?
What's going on?
I'm wishing for some empty foot. Some empty shorts. Empty foots.
Kind of weird you asking that with the type of couch you have there.
That is hilarious.
All right, let's log in.
Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Check. Where's Gerardo at? He hates us. Don't want to hang. I get it. Bro has no love for us. Check. Check. There we go. Boom. All right, we're up. What are you watching today, Grizzly?
Trying to share my screen. I don't have anything immediately on watch. I'm just gonna see what happens once we get this range in.
Sounds like an incredible setup.
You there?
What's up, Buzzo? Good morning.
Can you hear me, Jaden?
Now I can. What's up? What are you watching?
It cut me off when I started sharing my screen. I don't have anything on watch close here. I'm just gonna see what price action gives us.
Isn't it quad witching today?
Yeah, we have OPEX today.
And OPEX. Oh, goodness. Oh, no.
All right, sorry about that. I'm back.
Yeah, when's Top Step going down?
Any questions?
I'm sure any second. Y'all better count here. I better count.
Make sure you hit the follow. I'll go live every morning on here. Every single morning for you all. We've done great this week together. So. Let's do this. Let's focus. First 5 minutes, we can't take a trade. Let's just be patient. Any questions you have is a great time to get them out of the way. Excuse me. It's not letting me share the screen now, Jada.
Yeah, it should. Request. It should.
I click it. It says sharing is not turned on. The host is not allowed.
Send a request. It should let you send a request.
I'm hitting share and it's not. So I know it usually does, but it's not allowing me today for some reason.
What is that? Brandon can help me. Please send technical support.
Just click on the more, and you should see the share options. Allow multiple to share.
Oh, here you go. Usually try now.
Awesome.
Right now.
Got it.
Boom, baby. Let's go. It's game time with Santa. DOD is DOD time.
Can no one tell me what that is on YouTube?
Lock in with discipline over dopamine for the day. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Santa's going to deliver y'all a big, juicy,
I don't never see an answer.
winning trade today. And that's what's going down. That is all we're going to accept.
What the thing beside your comments, like the little X and A or whatever that is. So weird. I don't know. I've never seen it. So must be something new. Yeah, man, it was on your, when you first said good morning, it was beside your comment as well. I'll have to search it, what it is after we end these lives later. Keep in mind, everyone, I have some accounts to give away for those that want them at the end of this stream. I got some yesterday for us. I'm going to try to get a lot more for next week. Good morning, Bill. Make sure you hit the follow button. TikTok go live every morning on here. If you're ready to lock in for 2026, this is where where you need to be, because we're gonna be focused on building discipline in everyone's trading and locking in payouts for everyone, or just making a bag on your personal account, whichever. I don't care what you trade, but what you trade on, I care that you're disciplined while you're doing it. So. What firm for the giveaway is Tradify accounts. Appreciate that, Corey. Live on TikTok and YouTube. Doing well. How are you, ZT? ES giving a sell signal on Grisology. Let me look here. Well, actually, let me watch this for a second because I see a possible trade here on NQ. So, D-Mill, if you catch that on ES, I hope it prints for you. I see something I like for a pullback for a possible long entry here on NQ. I'm hoping this candle closes. Give us a little more time, after market to give it time to settle. I don't want to take it off this candle is what I'm saying. We got point of control above, okay? Nice strong candle up. We created a point of control high up. I'm sure it would change as the day goes, but right now that is our volume based resistance. Chill out, candle. How are we feeling? Do we think if we pull back that pre-market, that midline on the fair value gap, we try a bounce? What do you all think about that? We pushed down to the top of it. I want it a little lower. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna bounce from that previous day high, which is okay if we miss it. I want it just a little bit lower. Typically that pre-market high and the confluence, the added confluence with that midline on the fair value gap. Steph, that's my indicator, Grisology. I'm gonna watch for a reject around 25,500. That's the only area I like for a reject.
500, hey?
Yeah. If we break above like 510 though, it's invalid for me. Or close above
I think the
510.
485 level. I think 485 is really solid on the 4-hour chart.
We're making money today. Jen with a really nice trade so far today. 73 knows. 2 winners on Bliss. I wanted to see us get down like 10 more points.
No, I'm not in a trade. No trade yet. I'll be very clear if I take one. 25,500 is the only area I'm looking to reject. The only area I'm looking to bounce is around that 393 to 400 area. I'm looking for a couple different trades here. We got a couple of different nice setups close. So, or key levels, I should say. We have to wait on confirmation, to decide if we actually take it once we get there. It's an interesting previous 5-minute candle. We do have 10 a.m. data, everyone. As a reminder. Oh. You can't take trades based off news. I mean, you can trade your strategy around news as long as unless they specifically tell you can't have a position open, or you can see it in the rules. Welcome in, TikTok. Hit the follow. Haven't taken a trade yet, but we are undefeated on the week. We've had 0 losing trades. The videos are on YouTube. You can watch the recordings on YouTube. I mean, we didn't take a trade Wednesday, and we had some scalps, but yesterday we had 2 solid winning trades. Tay says, what is the name of the opening? The indicator you see on the screen is mine, my personal one. If you want to use it, go to grizzlytrades.com. It's called Grizzology. You'll see a link to it there. Use code NQ for 50% off the first month if you want to try it. I'm not going to be advertising all live. I'm just answering a question. I want to catch a trade. Got to pay for all them Christmas presents I've bought. Having $2 is expensive. Girls are expensive. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. What did I get you? I gave you all the week before Christmas full of winning trades and no losing trades. Let's hope today we don't get the losing trade. But if we do, it will be well managed, okay? No trades yet. Just waiting. Kurt, nothing wrong with that as long as you show up and treat them right. Are you all trading next week? I plan on being here with you all the days the market's open. Nice. What do y'all think about the 25,500 bounce? Let's talk about it. We gonna try it down there? See, Train, that's why I was just asking. We must have wrote that or said that at the same time. Yeah, I agree with you on that, Wes. The orb has not been it the last few weeks. It's just a weird month for it. Sometimes the orb smacks all month, and sometimes it just doesn't. I don't know. It's just how it goes sometimes. That's why managing risk is the only way to survive in this world. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I'll do my best to answer them. That's true. Sometimes you feel like one, sometimes you don't. Make sure you follow TikTok. I'm gonna watch that. 25,500 for a bounce. If we just flush through it, we don't get an entry. We're gonna watch point of control, okay? 25,450 area. Have a good day, man. Already made your money and getting out? I don't blame you a bit. That's what I love about day trading. We get in here, we make our money. We don't make money every day, but you know, we make our money, we lock it out and we go do our thing, you know, whether it's enjoying our free time or creating more money, other income sources, you know. Freedom of time will always be the biggest flex in life. Always. What's up, Moshan? Moshan says, what did you say? He says, Trump. Save us, Trump. There's no one coming to save you, Moshan. It's up to you. Make it happen in your own life. No president, no family member. It's up to you to make, you know, create the life you want. So I mean, if he wants to cut federal taxes, I'm down for sure, but yeah. There was a lot of, you're right, there was a lot of volume on that candle, the previous 5 minutes. Thing is, I need to pull back for an entry. I feel like, you know, we've pushed up so far, chances are we're going to pull back now. Grisology's saying that it wants to confirm the orb here. It's still got 3 minutes and 30 seconds before it can confirm, but it's trying to. I like that, like it. Yeah, we do have data in 9 minutes. Anybody in a trade, Team Bull?
What's up, Grizzly Glock?
I says, anybody in a trade?
No one's in a trade. Jen got a banger. Green Eyes got a winner too.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm watching for 25,500 area. Pull back. If we flush that, we don't get an entry. The only other area I like for a bounce is like 453.
Y'all better be watching live chat. I'm not announcing the first
It is OPEX, everyone. There could be some wild price action or wild things happen. You all know how it is on OPEX. SMG. Just two different vibes. Both good. YouTube. How we doing this morning? Any questions? Perfect time. There's no trade going right now. 25,500, that's the area I start watching for a bounce. See why it's so important to wait on candle closes for confirmation? Before a candle closes, you cannot get confirmation for certain strategies. It's just impossible. What would be a stop loss on the 25,500 bounce? Technically, it wouldn't be invalid until it lost the bottom of this zone, like 25,464. Three to five M and Q is all you should trade if you take a trade today. If we take a loss, I don't care if we take a 30-point loss or 35. It should just be a paper cut on your funded account with 3 M and Q. Okay? And this is a group effort. I see a lot of new faces in here today. This is a group effort stream. I shouldn't have to tell you all every trade. We talk about it, discuss it. If we don't like it, we don't take it as a group. So that's how we roll in here. I watch the NQ charts. I just get, the data comes in better. Everything works better for me watching NQ charts, but we can trade M and Q for less risk, okay? Now this candle, if we close the way I want to see here, this could be a possible long entry. Just filling shorts at why longs at 25,500. You see that strong candle here? We have the whole cycle 25,500. We have the midline on this fair value gap there, and it's near the 50% retracement of that candle. So have a few things going on in our favor there. And we're above pre-market high with strength,
Don't overtrade.
What's up, Jada?
Makes Sansa's heart want to explode with happiness. Makes me so happy when y'all choose DOD. Where's Mr. Gina? Where's Mr. Gina? Want to come on my stream clip? Alright, guys, be nice to Brandon. Be nice to BSI. He's coming on the stream. Everyone say hello to Mr. Brandon. That's fun. What are we doing?
Don't let him treat you like that, Brandon.
What's up, Grizzly?
What's up?
It's so loud in here.
The grass is greener in Tennessee, just remember.
Can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
What up? Should I take a trade on Jadon's account?
Do it.
You wanna know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play the order build thing on YouTube and see what he does.
Trying to catch us a trade here. We got plenty of time. It's only 30 minutes in. Plenty of time. You missed. Man, can you check TikTok chat? Missed. Miss Heck. Question. I'm trying to focus on this setup. See if we get an entry. We didn't get the volume I wanted to see here for a long entry, everyone. I can't take this trade. No, I didn't take this trade. It confirmed the breakout of the orb, but I wanted more of a retest. And that even that candle didn't have a high enough volume for me to look for the retest entry. That's just horrible volume on this candle, huh? Like literally the worst volume since open on this candle. Actually broke above that, held above that range high. Mischeck, you should be able to go to your invite only and find the indicator. If you can't do it on a laptop, read, apply it. You should be able to find it there, redo it. Appreciate all the follows on TikTok. You are crushing it. Anyone hit a nice workout this morning? Push day for myself. Jeff, you go to grizzlytrades.com and you click on Grizzology, and there you are. You go from there. Alright, this coffee got cold ridiculously quick. Extremely fast. But I'm gonna drink it cold because we gotta find a trade. Do I like cold brew? I mean, occasionally, but I like it hot. I like my coffee hot. What kind of job do I do during the day? I run my companies and trade. Trying to make some money from real estate too. I've got properties, I'm just not making any money yet. I now own 4, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 4, yeah, 4. I guess 1 technically could be counted as 2, but there's a lot of weird stuff happening this morning. A lot. We got OPEX, this is what I'm saying. It could be a weird day. Can everyone hear me? Give me a yes real quick. Yesterday we had all kinds of issues out of YouTube. Just want to make sure everyone can hear me if we get set up for this trade. I'm not taking this setup here. It did have, I like it. I like long entries, but I want a little lower. Just a little bit lower. I mean, we'd have like 50. Where's the high volume candle? Do we dare try the orb? Hasn't been working well. The 15-minute range orb strategy hasn't been working well this month. We've been doing much better. Supply and demand and utilizing point of control. No, I'm not in a trade. Jenna, you do horrible on OPEX days? They can be tough. I mean, what do you think about the previous 5-minute candle? I know it confirmed on Grizzology it did have positive delta, right? We retested and we closed with positive delta, but that's just one ugly candle, right? Long wick. You can see clearly that they, some aggressive selling at some point during the candle. Tiffany says, can you talk a little bit about the significance of point of control? I just need to make a post about it. I think that's the best. I need to make a video on that because I get asked that a lot. But for right now, Tiffany, it's just like volume-based support and resistance. So keep it simple. I need to break it down. Mr. Babar, Mr. Babar grabbed some ES shorts a couple minutes ago.
Everybody.
Still watching.
HQ's.
Oh,
What's up, bro?
still watching my bounce, everyone. 25,500.
Yeah, I'll watch that too, bro. That pullback deep
Yeah.
towards like 80 to 500.
I would have taken the orb, but that previous 5-minute candle, it did have positive delta, but it was just ugly.
It's weak, huh?
Yeah, just a little iffy for me. It could print. It did have positive delta, and that was the retest entry, and we closed back above. But that wick up is stopping me from trying to long share, everyone. Keeps kicking me off.
Great.
No, I'm not in the trade, GD. 94. No trades. I will be very clear if I take one, I promise. I'm going to be extra picky today because I do not want to break our win streak on a Friday. So, going to do my best.
It's also OPEX too.
Yeah.
This candle looks decent for longs. This volume is just garbage.
Yeah, the breakout candle had horrible volume.
I know. That's what kind of throws me off a little bit too.
I hope this sells off for Mr. Babar. I hope his trade prints. Sell off for.
Friday. This market has no motion. This could be the high or low. Like if you did want to try longs, I'm not trying them. I'll let you guys know when I take a trade. You want to try here with stops below like 30.
That was Jaden that said that, everyone, but it matches his strategy. If you all want to try it with him, you can. I don't think he's not taking it yet.
I'm not trying it, guys. I'm not in.
Yeah, he'll tell you if he
I've
does.
taken no trades.
He
If we had
usually
higher
crushes it
volume,
on the
I'd be
orb.
open to trying the longs here for sure, but I would have wanted to see.
Stick around to the end. Remember, I have some Tradify accounts to give away for free. Just, not a whole lot today, but next week I'm going to try to get as many as possible for you all. It's true, Corey. That's a very good point. It's hilarious. All right, ZT, I'll try. See, for ZT, as I said, told me to try to get some take profit accounts, and the way I get them, the more people that use my code, the more accounts I get. That's how take profit works. That's just how it is with them. I don't have a connection or anything inside. So use code Grizzly if you would like. If not, it's fine too. Will we get the pullback we're looking for? Let's see how much volume we get on this candle and the push down. I don't want to try a bounce. If I don't want to try bounce if we have a crazy increase of volume on this candle. Turning these speakers on. Right.
Kind of got a bad feeling what happened. See if we get a deeper pullback. Let's see what the 50% retracement.
Jeez, bro's talking in fast forward. Well, we touched the zone. I mean, we did touch the fair value gap. We didn't quite get down to the midline. Where was that? I need a little lower. That's awesome, Sarah. I appreciate it. Come on, NQ, do something. Do something.
Yeah, I think we're going down in NQ.
I hope we do. Right to my bounce area.
Yep, I'm watching for longs in the pullback too. I'm locked and loaded, ready.
What are the spreads? The zone.
Still low this candle, 430. I may actually trade micros today. So I can have more room to add or potentially to trim some micro or we'll see. I haven't decided yet. Actually, I'm gonna trade minis.
I hear you up there, Green Eyes. Not hiding
Yes, sir.
anything from me.
Where's VWAP at? Is like 484?
I have VWAP. Wait a second. Let me look at NQ. I got M and Q pulled up.
Usually don't tell me they're gonna do it 20 points early.
I'd be okay taking a long off this candle if we just get some volume.
We're at my 520.
VWAP is at 413 on my chart on the 5-minute NQ. Well, Jaden, I said VWAP on my chart's at 25,413 on the NQ 5-minute.
Hayden killing it. Congrats on that payout.
It's crazy to me how much a difference it makes on your charts from the settings on TradingView. Literally.
Right?
Yeah, definitely for indicators. It's wild. People have some crazy levels if they don't have their settings right.
Sorry, Grizzly, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Oh, you're good.
Sorry, I do think there. My apologies.
How's the party going?
Kind of partying over here. Let me get you up to T-Bull HQ. You promised me you'd come in the spring, bro.
I know, I'll be there in the spring. I'll keep my word.
You promised me that you'd come in the spring. And you also promised me that you'd come to the New York Stock Exchange with me.
Yes, I will. This coming year, I'm going to travel. But after that, I'm not getting out for another year.
We could bring a Team Bull member to the Stock Exchange. That'd be a crazy giveaway. The trip to the Stock Exchange with Jay Dunn and Grizzly. And Gene. I know Peter will let me bring someone. We're homies now. Einstein and I, we like text. He wanted me to mentor one of his pupils. He's like, oh, I have this guy that isn't the most disciplined trader. I want you to help him. So I might be helping one of his this young cat he knows. Einstein of Wall Street wants me to mentor one of his people. How crazy is that?
That dude looks like he's thrown some crazy parties in his life. He looks like it's that guy, you know?
Big little giveaway. Come to the stock exchange. Yeah, we actually text though.
Can everyone hear me? My internet is flickered. Popped up for a second like it was off, but it's back on.
I can hear you, bro. All right, Grizzly, are you gonna wait for a pullback?
I'm waiting for it, man.
So you're gonna try 500, huh?
Yeah, as long as we don't get no crazy selling volume down to it, you know. I'd like to see same or lowering volume coming down.
I'd like to see 480 personally, but I think you might be right. That's why I was thinking about trading micros.
Yeah, there's going to be a little bit of risk on this trade for sure.
Let's add one mini at 500. That'd be 480. That'd be 400 points of risk down to that 480. I'd add more, or $400, not 400 points.
What's up, TikTok, YouTube? If you have any questions, drop them in chat.
Back for longs. Yep.
Make sure you hit the follow.
Johnson available. I don't do crowds. I gotta be at a table like VIP table. I get anxiety in big groups of people. How you feeling all claustrophobic? Anyone else? Not really a raver. Anyone else getting a group of people where you're touching shoulders and you're like, yeah, this ain't me. Is it just me? Maybe I'm just weird.
I can relate to that for sure.
I don't do that. I don't do that. I don't do none of that. I'm too introverted for that. I learned how to trade, so I didn't have to leave my house. Feel me?
Let me see. Answer this question.
Munchers, that's crazy.
It says Grizzly. So if you guys are fairly confident it's going down, why not scalp down and then hit it back up? Because I don't know which way it's going right now. I don't have a good read. We're no key level for me to take a trade. We have to be at key levels before I can take a trade. I never know which way it's going to go. I can guess by volume, you know, what price action tells me. But if we're not at a key level, you cannot take a trade because you don't know. You just don't. And you don't have your risk defined. And typically, something like this, if we got in this trade, tried shorts, our stop would have to be way up here at 601. If that helps. For my strategies, I know some of you all trade different, and that's okay. There are multiple strategies that work, just not one way to do something. But they don't always work, you know. It's so weird saying that by your name on YouTube. It looks like a X and an A together when you comment. Like on Vincent Smith, on your comment, it says like it VWAP bounce, but beside of it is that symbol. It's like an X with a line at the top of it and an A beside of it. It must be something new to YouTube, new update or something. I'm watching this volume for us here. The volume looking decent, yeah. Two minutes. Volume looks decent here, everyone. Let me unmute Team Bull so they can hear me.
like 50 points of risk.
A little bit
I'd rather
lower.
see an aggressive move to like 480 personally. There's a little less risk doing that.
Yeah, our stop will have to be like 65 if we take
I
this.
know, that's what I'm saying. There's a bit of risk at 500. As long as you understand that, I actually am. Let's see. There we go. Let's adjust that.
Nice, Mr. Babar. Love it, man. Love that you just printed.
Yeah, close. We got like 7 points from 500. Volume's hiding from Santa. Not very nice volume. It's also OPEX. So. I'd like to see 480 to 465. That's gonna be like my perfect balance. I am gonna trade micros, guys. I changed my mind. Saw room to add multiple times if need be. A little less size initially. Gives me a little bit more leeway to manage the trade dynamically. If I end up taking this. The position's ready for longs though, if we get the pullback I like. Got an aggressive sell candle there.
I tried a small size here of M&Q longs. Remember, we could have a little drawdown on this trade, so position lightly. 500 to 505 is a good average.
Try to small pieces, some micros, guys. Baby piece. Room to add.
Oh.
500 area. Only micros though, not minis.
Push up for
I
us.
still think we could go down to 480. I'd personally rather see 480 to 465. So I have a little bit more risk on this trade. I like this 500 area. If you want a little less risk, wait till 480.
All right, everyone. I'm going to mute for a second. I will let you know what I do here. The bottom of this zone, bottom of this fair value gap's 465.
Only taking micros. So I'm going to keep my risk to a minimum.
I don't care what happens on this trade, everyone. Please do not give yourself a big losing trade on a Friday. Position the way you should. I'm not adding to this. No, I tried to bounce. This may stop us out here, everyone. And the volume's not good on this candle either. It's right at it. $464. If we break below this, I will get out of this trade, everyone, for a loss. If we make another low in this candle, I'll be out, okay? If we break below this candle, I'll be out of this trade, everyone. I haven't added, I have the same position.
I added. Down there in my mid out area.
Look how close it came. Is that not the most insane push down, almost hitting our stop? That is wild. We should have waited on the closer to that point of control, yeah, but. Oh. No, I want a big move up, everyone. If you added down there, you know, if that was part of your plan, you can trim wherever, but I need a big move up. I didn't add. I got filled around like 502-ish. That was so close to my stop. That's wild.
Well, that is absolutely banging. Make sure you guys have trimmed. Make sure everybody is trimmed. Let's move up. Stops it whatever your break even is. Come on, baby. I told you Santa was delivering yellow dove. One more, though. I'd like to see us trend higher to like 30s, ideally.
No, I mean, if YouTube, TikTok, if you all added down there, I don't blame you. It didn't look like it wasn't a bad idea, but it wasn't what I wanted. I didn't want to put on no risk today because of OPEX.
Come on, baby. Come on. Stops at 77, everybody. We'll take it. We'll take what we got in that initial push. Stops are at 77.
I got only one micro. No, I have 3 micros, BRV. Looks like we want to sell off now. The previous candle had some serious volume.
Stops at 77.
Did anybody happen to see what the delta was on that previous 5-minute candle at close? Or if someone wants to look real quick, that would help me out.
Moving, but should be a winning trade for everybody. Regardless. See if we can push up now. Come on.
It may have been a lot more delta, positive delta. I didn't see. I wasn't watching.
Push, 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 push. Like you're giving birth to a 20-pound baby.
You have to turn on the song, Jenna. That's how you do it.
Push, baby. Come on.
I'd be interested to trim once we get to the 30s. It's not the best R to R, but whenever we trade fair value gaps, the trade's not invalid unless it breaks below or closes below the gap. This is how you invalidate a fair value gap. And that was what we was looking for our entry.
Boy, Grizzly. Santa came on. Santa in the second Santa, Grizzly Bear.
I'm gonna trim. We get in the 30s, everyone. All right. It didn't film me there. We was in the 30s for a second, for some reason.
I had Let's go.
All right, I got one trim off.
Nastiness, bro. Nastiness, nastiness, nastiness. Nastiness, guys. That's what I'm talking about.
Beautiful. Exactly what we wanted to see.
Yep.
And we never we entered in the fair value gap around the 25,500 host psych, and at the close to the 50% retracement on the big green candle coming up.
Oh! Yes!
If this gets high day,
Come on! I told y'all pay down was coming to play. You thought you
any questions? TikTok or YouTube? Every time we take a winning trade on here, as soon as it's over or people have made enough money, you start disappearing from our lives. It's all good. I don't blame you. What's up, boss? DJ? Oh, you waiting on the giveaway? It's coming. Let's finish this trade up, then we'll drop the giveaway. How's that? Make sure you put your stops at your entry in case this drops. Should be a green trade regardless for you now, everyone. Right? You all know what I'm talking about. Moving your stops to entry. How does the giveaway, Kayla says, how does the giveaway work? So I have 4 Tradeify accounts I'm giving away today. Next week I'm going to have accounts from different prop firms. But I'm going to pick someone and you'll DM me and I'll send you the code. You'll use it to get a 50K growth account. Hold on. I gotta unmute Team Bull.
the higher low.
Once we get into the
Nice
50s,
for our trade.
once we get into the 50s, Team Bull, whoever's in this trade with me, I'm gonna trim more up there. I got my stop at entry currently.
Hello?
It's awesome,
Oh,
Bobby.
man, we're chilling today. That was awesome.
Appreciate that, Jordan. Here's
Almost
someone
made a
talking
trade.
outside.
Getting there from that lower end.
I don't know what that was.
I know. Undefeated at the office. Never had a red day. Trading with students at the office. That's pretty cool, huh? Up to that 15-minute high.
I got a trim off. My second trim here, everyone. I'm gonna move my stop into profits now. I got one runner remaining. Risk off kind of day, I guess, you know. Everyone hear that? I got another trim off in the 50s. Move your stop into profits.
True, win is a win.
Appreciate it, G-Man.
Such a dub.
See ya, Nick.
Don't. Let's see if we reject the 15-minute high or if we move on up. Santa rally, baby. Told y'all we were coming.
We crushed it today. Undefeated this week. What about that? Oh, my YouTube did something weird. Hopefully it's still working for you all. YouTube has been my enemy last couple of days. BRV, I'll have to check it out. I'm not for sure, to be honest. December hasn't been my best month, though. I think we all can agree it's been a tough one. We've done well, but the price action has been tough to trade, right? As far as sniper entries go, the way we trade. Outside Daily, how are you this morning? I think this has been our best week of the entire month of December together, though. I might be wrong. Yeah, I just did the 1-1 trim, Jeremy. I wasn't trying to make a ton of money today. I was trying to get you all a nice win. I was trying to take some risk off because it is OPEX. But we traded like we normally do, honestly. I always tell people to trade 3 to 5 MNQ. I don't, that's not referring to my personal account. I'm referring to funded accounts when I say that. No one needs to try to trade the way I trade on my personal with me. At least during the lives, because I don't want to be responsible if you take a loss like I do on there sometimes when I'm full size. Full size on a personal account? I still don't go crazy on my personal. I don't go over like 5-6 NQ. But that's nothing you all should be trading on your fundeds.
I went downstairs and said, Santa's here.
That hit my stop in profits there, everyone. Trade's over for me personally.
We killed that, Grizzly.
Yeah, it's a nice trade, man. I was super light, but it was still a great trade.
Santa's taking Jen to Micro Center, my favorite store.
That's right, Bobby. Appreciate you for showing up, man. Nice, Mark. You gotta manage your trades. It could rip up, but it doesn't seem like a good idea to give 30 more points back on my last runner, Locked in 30 more points on that runner, on my last contract there. I guess everyone has been waiting on the giveaway, huh? I got 4 Tradify accounts, and let me explain the rules. First off, I hope you always use code Grizzly when you purchase an account. Helps me out some. Also, you have to DM me on Instagram, okay? You can find my Instagram at grizzlytrades.com. Grizzlytrades.com has a link to my socials. All right. Who would like an account? I'll pick 4 winners today for you. 33 Kelsey 1. 33 Kelsey 1. DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna give you one account. Kayla on TikTok. Kayla on TikTok. I'll give you one account. I seen someone on. Who was that on YouTube that said they was waiting around for the giveaway? I lost your message. DMK. It was you. DMKIM9292. DM me on Instagram. So there are 3 accounts, right? Yeah, 3 accounts. I gotta pick one more. Oh, see, I picked 2 from YouTube. Let me pick one more from TikTok. I love you, YouTube. I'm gonna have you plenty of accounts next week, but I'm gonna pick one more from TikTok. Outside Daily. DM me on Instagram. You can have one. That's it for today. I gave away 4 Tradify accounts. Next week, I hope to have some Take Profit and Apex and maybe some more Tradify. I'm gonna pull all my connections. They may block me, but I'm gonna try to get us some. We ended the week perfect. We had 0 losing trades this week. I hope you all made some money, reached some payouts, or just built some discipline. I love the community we've built here. We have good vibe. You don't depend on me. We talk about trades together, come to a decision for the most part. It was someone, Chris. It was someone on YouTube that got the last one, or sorry, on TikTok that got the last one. No, Corey. I don't. I don't know if I would, to be honest. Just a heads up, but. All right. I'll get them codes sent over today. I'm not going to do it right after because I got to take care of something else, but I will get the code sent over on Instagram today. So DM me and make it very clear because I get a lot of messages. Make it very clear you're a winner, okay? I don't know, Lost Phantom. I'm not sure what you mean. All right. I see you all back here on Monday, okay? On Monday, okay?